Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Panda Photographer. And last night I was talking about non-retainer fees, not a non-container fee. It's actually called non-retainer fee. So if you go to my website, before you get to the contact page, there's a rate tab. When everyone asks this question through text messages or email, I emphasize, please go to my website and look up this information. On the information on the bottom of the screen it says non-retainer. What is a non-retainer? Okay, this is what the definition of non-retainer for photographers. It is a fee to pay in advance in order for whole services like weddings or event dates. While a deposit may be also reserved, it is returned when services have been completed. A retainer is by default non-refundable and is not returnable. So, with that said, everyone, it's called non-retainer, not a non-container. So, with that said, everyone, last night we were talking about this, and I was trying to emphasize why a lot of people fail to realize what this is, and this is why they don't want to hire me. They want to go beyond the books or under the books. And I'm sorry, but my contracts are right here above the non-container fee. It literally states everything that you need to know about the agreement overview, the services, the menu changes. Yes, there is a 25% if you change the menu. So fair warning. This talks about the non-retainer fee requirements on this document. And this is why I have difficulties with individuals. It doesn't matter where they are. They don't read this because by law, this is why I put this, copyright laws and exclusive photographer information about any of the services that I provide. But with that said, everyone, as you can see in the bottom of the page, it's like total adds up. Training, travel, marketing, shipping, whatever that you may need, services for whatever it may be. But this is just an example why people should pay attention to this page. Mind you, it's available to you on my website right here. So with that said, everyone, a non-container fee is non-refundable. So, and this is why a lot of individuals that text me earlier in the past week failed to realize you have to read this page before you get to this page. This is why I emphasize why people lack responsibility and observation. But as a Panda photographer, everyone, this is how I conduct my business and all of my businesses due to contracts. And as I said, this is what people try to avoid. And this is what people don't want to sign. They don't want to sign these contracts because they know they could be wholly liable for any cancellations or services that may change or they may change. But with that said, everyone, thank you for understanding. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in. My website is ThePandaPhotographer.com. You can go to my Instagram as well, which, let me plug it. And it's Fashion Week, and as you can see, this is my page. I only plug sponsors, sponsorships, brands, photographs, and tag other people and share my social media. I don't gossip on this page. So with that said, everyone, you can see clearly my work, and that's all you need to know. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time out. So please, anyone that's interested in any photographer's work, you have to read their websites, okay? If you want pricing, there's no lowballing. The prices are standard. These are standard prices. If you want to look the standard prices, for hiring, So here's the standard. Here's the typical market in New York City. For a 1 hour photo shoot, it's $318. For a snap cost premium shot, which is snapshot, like a snapper, which is like maybe 2-3 photos, $150. A 2-hour photo shoot is $508. Another is $248. You see how when I'm going here? This is why people don't understand how to price. And when I emphasize pricing on my photography website, people are like, oh, that's too pricey for what you do. Is it? After spending thousands and hundreds of dollars on software and everything else, you think that's expensive. So with that said, and an amateur makes up between $25 to $100, but these are just like absolutely like not really indication. This is coming from this website that has not been confirmed, but I'm just giving you guys a good idea. The market cost is $318 on average. If you don't believe me, hiring a photographer on average is between $150 and $250. So if you want to look into this, yes. So if people want to charge you $75 so you can go all the way out to the other side of town, it's not worth it. It would never be worth it. But as I was saying before, everybody, average photographer course. Event photography rates between $150 US and $500 US per hour. A wedding photographer rates are between $50 and $250 per hour. I charge $250 per hour. Portraits between $150 to $350 per hour. So give you guys a good idea how much photographers have to spend on software, money, editing, time, and people want to lowball you and give you a price for shots. Like what happened to me recently. Someone texted me and said they will offer $75, but he doesn't feel comfortable of someone in my caliber to take photos because in my situation. And that to me, that's poor observation. That's just poor observation, period. You see here? This is the prices. Semi-pro, professional, grandmaster. Like I said, grandmasters make lots of money. Professionals as well. Semi-pro is where I stand. So I think people should, for weddings, you see how wedding photography prices? I think people need to respect us as photographers and give us the benefit of the doubt, because a lot of people think we just take photos and no, there's a lot of retouching, there's a lot of things that we do to a photograph. We don't do too much, but we know how to clean up a photograph. We study this. This is what we do. But for someone to offer $75 offer for headshots, that's an insult. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to evaluate this video. But if you want to, please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate you do that. With that said, everyone, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and conduct your business and repeat. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.